My name is Luwayo Biswick. We're gonna tour the farm, the Permaculture for Profit farm. This is cassava commercial crop in Malawi, a crop that could substitute tobacco. We can move away from slavery, so let's go tour this one. A lot of people have been slaves to tobacco, a lot of people have been slaves to monoculture, hard working system, but this is a permaculture. Easy to do work, but just using permaculture design. I thought it was that we should tour this farm because a lot of people across our country, maybe across the globe, have been taking permaculture as a backyard backyard or plant kind of thing. And a lot of people have just been demonstrating permaculture at the household level. And the government, I've worked with a lot of people, like the government been asking me that why do you just show us home-based designs? So this is the reason why I wanted to showcase to people the farm, the permaculture design, the farm, cassava production, commercial crop, as well as other companion plants like we had pigeon peas here. We also had the frosia. We just cut them so that they can regrow, add biomass in the soil. But we have a lot of cover crops underneath here. This is some sort of our clover here. This one, it makes a very nice ground cover. It's like the pinto peanut, but this is a native one. So we leave these natural ground covers to cover the ground so that our crop is protected from direct sunlight. So yes, this is a classic example. These are some of the nitrogen fixers. You can know a nitrogen fixer by looking at the leaves. If it ends with three leaves, that's a nitrogen fixer. Or if you open it in a pod. So we have these nitrogen fixers, fixing nitrogen. A little bit of nitrogen. We don't need too much nitrogen for cassava because if you have too much nitrogen, you only produce very nice looking trees and leaves, but the roots will not develop well. So we need a little bit of that nitrogen, and we also need that symbiotic relationship of plants and animals and microorganisms in that system. So that's why we also have these nitrogen fixers. A very nice looking Brachystegia nitrogen fixer here. Very nice Brachystegia here. All these nitrogen fixers are left in here. We have Computa officinale there. Lots of Brachystegia trees there, and cameras food there. Lots of natural trees, native trees within the cassava paradise. And we talk about the diseases. We don't have a lot of problems with diseases. Just another nitrogen fixer here, because we have no problems with pests and diseases in this cassava production. We don't add fertilizer to this cassava. We don't add chemicals because this is a cultivated ecology, so everything is working as nature in its natural system. So we don't have any imbalance. So if something is out of balance, we have lots of problems. Look at how beautiful this cassava. You need beautiful leaves. You need nice looking stems and cores. So for ease of seed multiplication, you also need big roots in the soil, right in the soil. So yeah, this farm is very big. You can see. Let's walk together so you can see how big is this farm. We should move away. We should move away from the home-based permaculture demonstration. Stop showing people home-based demonstrations. Just permaculture around your house. We should move away from that. We should be demonstrating such systems like these big farms, not full of just trees but full of commercial crops, main crops and other companion plants there for the benefit of us as well as all creatures on the earth. So people have been asking me, how could we feed the world? This is how we could feed the world. The cassava is speaking by itself. Even if we don't sell this, we have staple crops, we have vegetables, and we have seed. So we don't need